Why are so many people broke and living in poverty? Society pushes and programs us just to become an employee, whereby you trade your time for a salary, for one salary. You work long hours, sometimes overtime, or has two jobs. You work hard and earn less. Sometimes you do a lot of work just for less income. To end the cycle, you can become a business owner. A business owner owns a system that does all the heavy lifting work for him or her 24/7. A business owner practices leadership, mentors his or her team, inspires, has masterminds to coach, to develop, to train, to educate, to empower, to edify others that want to step up into the role of being a business owner. A business owner influences and serves others. I just love that. Or you can become an investor. An investor invests in assets, invest in stocks, invest in their own business, invest in companies, online marketing, real estate, digital marketing. You can become an investor. This is more profitable in terms of ROI, return on investment. Here's another way: self-employed. You own a business, you own a job, you have a team that does most of the heavy lifting work for you so that you can earn commission or a percentage of their income. You work long hours, no time leverage, no system. That is self-employed. So to end the cycle of poverty or being broke, you can choose. If you want to learn more, you can go to Google www.joshuadailypay.com. I came up with my own system on how you can work less and earn more online. Thank you and you're welcome.